Hello, in this video we will see how we can create FTP accounts and connect with FileZilla. So for that we'll go to FTP and click on add FTP. Just enter the username. Let me enter my username. For the document root I will be choosing the www root so I can view all the websites. So here is the password. Let me copy it, the password, and click confirm. So it's created. Let's go to FileZilla, and here we will be entering the username which was created, and here we will be entering the password. So the host will be the IP. Let me copy the IP. This is the host, and the port by default is 21, but we can also write that. Let's click quick connect and let's wait and see. So we can see the worksuite.xyz is now showing up. So FTP is created, now successfully able to connect with FileZilla also. So these are the files on the www root folder that we are seeing on FileZilla. So that's all for this video.